Macha, from that time you are sending money here and there. Scan my code and send some money to me, bro.
Yeah, Macha, morning onwards I'm sending my rent and EMI. My salary is little bit only, but I need to save my. I need to invest somewhere and I need to save my money. I don't have plan.
Okay. Macha, yesterday advisor from Room to Grow Reality has contacted me and advised me some property which is very near to metro.
Are you kidding me?
Yes, bro, and pocket friendly too. I am planning to visit over there today. Will you join me?
I will join you, bro.
Then let's go, bro.
Okay.
Chalo.
Let me take you through whole property. So total land parcel we have 18 acres, where 3 acres of first phase has been delivered. And when it comes to 15 acres of phase 2, in phase 2 we have 4 blocks where A, B, C, D are available. In this one, A and C has been delivered. B and D are available. In B, we have 2 BHKs available, and in D block, 1 BHKs are available. Now when it comes to amenities, we have 30 plus amenities. In the starting on the left side, we have a basketball court. On the right side, we have a football court. When it comes to in middle of A, B, C, we have children's play area and a jogging track. And we have a 2000 square feet of clubhouse where we are having supermarkets, indoor gym, indoor games, gym, and more and more. And here when it comes to cricket pitch, we have 3 cricket pitches and basketball court and lawn tennis, sand volleyball, badminton court, children's play area. So all these are available backside also. So this is the overall project description. When it comes to location, it is very near for metro station, like 3.5 kilometers from Kengeri metro station and 2.5 kilometers from Chavlagata metro station. Nearest we have Christ University, which is in 3.3 kilometers, and in 7 kilometers we have RV College. Other than that, we have IBM College within 6 kilometers here. So this is the location specification. Other than that, we do have lot of supermarkets and nearby family areas which are very near to our property. Let me take you through the property. Which you want to see, sir, it is 540 square feet, which is going to be a 1 BHK.
Okay.
Let me take you through.
Okay, then let's start.
Come, sir. This is your 1 BHK.
Nice. Ooh.
Oh my God! Wow!
As we enter, on the left side, we have 10 by 6 by 14 by 5 of living area, which is shared. On the right side, we have a bedroom, which is 10.6 by 9.10. Besides, we have a common washroom, which is 6.1 by 4.1. Besides that, we have a kitchen, which is shared in 8.4 by 6.7. And we have a utility space, which is 2.11 by 4.9. Now when it comes to amenities, we have 30 plus amenities.